This lesson introduces structural retouching without traditional dodge and burn. Instead, we analyze microcontrast behavior. Begin by creating a high-frequency extraction layer, but do not retouch it directly. Use it only as a diagnostic map. Areas with excessive microcontrast often read as harsh or aged. Conversely, insufficient microcontrast flattens form. Create a neutral gray overlay layer set to soft light. Now paint micro-adjustments using extremely low opacity brushes, but only where the diagnostic layer indicates imbalance. The objective is not smoothing but redistributing contrast density. Avoid facial symmetry corrections. Focus instead on contour continuity. Once complete, disable the diagnostic layer and assess depth realism.